Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and today I have another video regarding Suzuki Access and one more problem that Suzuki Access can face in the rains. Now if your Suzuki Access is stalling in the rains, especially when it is raining, and when there is no rain your bike is working fine, then this is the problem that your bike can face. So come on, let's open the Suzuki Access and let's check out what is the problem inside. Now how to open the Suzuki Access you guys know already. Once you take out all the screws, take out the seat and keep it on the side and come near the spark plug. Now this is the spark plug. Now on top of this spark plug there is a rubber cap. Sometimes this cap is worn out and water goes inside the spark plug, and that is the reason why your bike can stop when it is raining. Now my rubber cap is okay here, but it is become old, so I will replace it with new one. When you are putting it back, there should be no gap between the rubber cap like this, through which the water could go inside. If the gap remains, then the water can go inside and your bike can start stalling. So if your rubber cap is worn out, or if you have put another kind of socket or some aftermarket socket, then replace that and put a new one, put a original one, so that no water will go inside. And also check your spark plug socket if it is broken. This socket of mine is already a new one, only the rubber cap I will replace now. So this is my new rubber cap. It has cost me 16 rupees. I have bought this from the service center. It is the original one. So to replace this one, you will have to rotate the old socket like this and take it out completely. Once you take it out completely, separate the rubber cap from the socket by pulling it like this. Once you separate that, now you will have to pass the wire through your new rubber cap and take it out from the other side. Once it comes out from the other side, now you will have to put the socket back. So rotate like how you rotate a screw and put the socket back. This is a new socket. I had replaced it just few days back. So once you rotate and tighten it, your rubber cap, now you will have to pull and adjust it and put it on the socket and adjust it nicely, because this has slided too much down. So pull it up and adjust it on the socket. Once you adjust it nicely, now you can connect it back on the spark plug. Once you connect it on the spark plug, there should be no gap between the rubber. As you can see here, there is a gap in between my rubber cap. It is because I have not pushed it inside properly. So now I have pushed it inside, and as you guys can see now, there is absolutely no gap there. You will have to check this on all the sides with your finger. If there is a gap underneath also, you will have to check. If there is a gap, then you will have to adjust it properly. So here I have replaced my spark plug rubber cap. I'm still not done yet. So now you will have to come here on top, and as you guys can see here, my two plugs are open. On this also the water should not fall, and there is a wire here, and the protection of this wire also, the rubber is broken. So if you can see any open wires like this, and all these wires, you will have to make use of insulation tape and cover them nicely. So on this wire my rubber covering was broken, so here I will apply a insulation tape and cover it up nicely. So like this you will have to check all your wires. Once I am done applying this tape, the two plugs which are open, I will do a covering for them. So I will have to do a hack here, because I don't have that original rubber packing, but I have a old spanner pouch. So I will make use of a scissor and put a hole for this pouch. As you guys can see, once I make the hole, I will pass both the plugs through this hole. So I will disconnect both the plugs first, and once I am done disconnecting them, now I will pass them through the hole which I have made just now, one by one. So once I pass both these plugs, they will come out on the other side like this. Now I will connect both these plugs again. Once I connect both these plugs, I will put back the button of this pouch, and once I'm done putting the button, I will roll this entire pouch around the wire like this. Once I roll it nicely, I will apply insulation tape on top of it, so that the water will not have direct contact with the plugs. Once you do protection like this, your water will not reach the plugs, and it is slightly difficult for the water to enter. So as you guys can see how I have done protection for my plugs. Like this you will have to do the protection, and you should not allow water to touch the wires. So I will start the bike and check first if it starts properly. So as you guys can see that my bike is starting properly, but if you come close here, you will see the ignition coil. On top of the ignition coil also put a plastic like this and cover it, so that water will not touch the ignition coil as well. And you will notice that I have also applied insulation tape for my starter motor wire. Like this you will have to put a tape there as well, and then you will have to test your bike in the rains. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.